scribbly. I think my welding. I don't think there's anything worse than my welding. Do you think anyone's ever got a chainsaw out on Twitch before? Has that ever happened? Okay. So now all I have to do... Oh, I need to flip that over. It's hard to describe what I'm doing. I'm putting in a kind of washer. How heavy is the chainsaw? Probably 4 or 5 kilos. Yeah, I need a MIG welder. I definitely need a MIG welder. Fucking hell. If I don't have the blade on, it's not dangerous. I don't think that's true. I think that if this thing flies off at high speed, it could be pretty dangerous. We do not make exemptions for self-destructive behaviors. Behavior performed as a stunt or gag made in jest or meant to entertain, when the behavior could be expected to cause physical injury. Well, I'm not doing this to hurt myself, so I don't think that's gonna... Okay, there we go. We got that on. Did I just flip it over? No, I got it on. Okay, we got that on. Now... Okay, see you later. Thanks for watching. But you don't want to see me run the chainsaw. Okay, so now I just need to get this little ring on. Alright, here we go. This might not actually work. Okay, here we go. We almost got it. I'm gonna run the chainsaw. That's what I'm doing. I'm just putting this ring in. Is that on? That is not on. Try not to kill anyone and break everything. It's going to be hard. I think the only one person I'm going to kill is myself, so... Oh, it's on. It's in. The ring's in. Look at that. It's attached. Oh, shit. Thing is, if this pops off at high speed and smashes my computer... Do I do it? Do I do it? Fuck. Do it at a distance. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna open some windows. Imagine if my neighbors see this. Just a man operating chainsaw in his house. Alright. Stop commenting on my sweaty armpits. It's what happens when you get nervous on a Twitch. So that's what it looks like. I go this way. Okay, if this fucks up, call an ambulance, right? Oh. Nah, fuck this, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. Put it on the ground. Yeah, actually, it's a good idea. Let's do that. Fuck that. Alright. That was terrifying, but I'm alive. Well, it works. It works. There we go. My room's full of smoke. Could you hear the noise? Yeah, so that's the... Alright, I'm back. So, it works. I didn't die, which is great. Am I going to stream frequently? I really have no idea. Yeah, I really have no idea. It's fun, but it's also a completely different kind of, thing that I'm used to. I've been watching since 6 minutes. Fuck yeah. Is Patreon worth it? No, it's not. It's not worth it. I didn't die. Alright, I think on that successful note, with this actually working and me not dying, Patreon's not worth it. Don't sign up to Patreon. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Hook up some rockets to the Beyblade as well. See, that is actually a very good idea. And that would be a way that I can spin the Beyblade without attaching it to an engine, which would be nice. What time is it here? It's 11 AM. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.